Good morning, students. Today we will go for the one of the problem on isometric projections. So the question says a rectangular pyramid of base 40 mm into 25 mm and height 50 mm is placed centrally on a rectangular slab of sides 100 mm into 60 mm and thickness 20 mm. Draw the isometric position of the combination. So in this, there are two objects which are placed on one another. The first object which is placed is rectangular pyramid of base 40 mm into 25 mm. So as we all are familiar that a rectangular pyramid, how does it look like? It will have a base rectangle this way and will have an apex. To this apex, all base corners will be connected. Okay. So what are the dimensions of this rectangle? He says that it is of 40 mm longer side and 25 mm shorter side. Okay, and its height from base face center to the top apex is how much? It is 50 mm. So this is one of the objects which is placed on centrally on a rectangular slab. So what is a rectangular slab? So as we already constructed a cube, so it is similar to that. So where the dimensions are of a cube are of a rectangular slab are 100 mm to 60 mm and thickness 20 mm. So 100 mm means we will go 30 degree 100 mm this side, and on the other 30 degree line 60 mm and parallel 100 mm, parallel 60 mm. So as you know that 100 mm is 10 divisions of the isometric sheet and 60 mm is the 6 divisions of the isometric sheet. So once you get this, draw the height or thickness of the slab, which is 20 mm. So 20 mm means 2 divisions vertical here, 2 divisions, count 2 divisions in the isometric sheet, 2 divisions. Okay, and connect the tips of those, so you'll get the rectangular slab. Okay, now we need to place this pyramid on this. Okay, now how to place the pyramid on this? So first what we'll do, so we'll construct this. So consider this is a reference line, 30 degree line. Okay, so I'll start here now plotting both of them. So first what I'll do, I'll draw a reference line, horizontal reference line. Okay. From there I'll start drawing the base object, which is the rectangular slab. So 100 divisions to the right side, that is 10 divisions of the isometric sheet. This angle will be 30 degree. On the left side it is 60 mm, so 6 divisions to the left side. This angle is 30 degree itself and the dimensions are 60 mm. Then parallel lines you can draw equal to 10 divisions and parallel 60. This you can do, right? Now only front, the left side corner, front and right corners are always visible and its height is also visible. So height is 20 mm, so 2 divisions vertical from here, 2 divisions vertical from here, 2 divisions vertical from here. So also here it will be there. I don't draw this thicker because it is a hidden. So connect this to this, this to this, this to this, and this to this. So this is a rectangular slab. Now find out its center. So just by connecting midpoint of this to midpoint of this, the thin line, and midpoint of this to midpoint of this, okay, line in this way. After this, now we need to place the rectangle on this, which is those base sides are 40, 25, 40, 25. Okay. So from here, what you can do? So this length is 100, should be reduced to 40. So 100 minus 40 is how much? 60 divided by 2 is 30 will be. So subtract 30 from this side, 30 from this side, 30 from this side, 3 divisions from this. So you'll get one rectangle here. Okay, so again the other side is 25, but this is 60. So 60 minus 25 is how much? 35 divided by 2 is 17.5. So subtract 17.5 from this side, 17.5 from this side, also 17.5. Connect opposite. So the inner rectangle, what you can do, this front I'll make it thicker here. This part will be visible. Okay, right? Whereas on the rectangular slab, this front portion this way, now what is the height of the pyramid? Height of the pyramid is 50 mm. So count 5 divisions vertical 5 divisions, say 1, 2, likewise 5 divisions. You mark it to this apex, which is 5 divisions, connect it to the left corner, the thick line, front corner, the thick line, and a right corner. These are the visible adjustment here.